Does Vizio TV have Crunchyroll app? Crunchyroll is a popular streaming service for anime fans, and many users want to know if they can access it directly on their Vizio TVs. While Vizio Smart TVs support a wide range of streaming apps, the availability of Crunchyroll depends on the SmartCast platform. 1. Crunchyroll is not a native app on Vizio Smart TVs. Vizio SmartCast TVs do not currently have a dedicated Crunchyroll app available for direct download. Unlike platforms such as Roku, Fire TV, or Android TV, Vizio's App Store does not include Crunchyroll as a built-in option. 2. Using AirPlay or Chromecast to watch Crunchyroll. Although there is no native Crunchyroll app, Vizio Smart TVs support AirPlay and Chromecast, which allow users to stream Crunchyroll from their mobile devices. For iPhone or iPad, open the Crunchyroll app, tap the AirPlay icon, and select your Vizio TV. For Android devices, open Crunchyroll, tap the cast icon, and choose your Vizio TV. 3. Streaming Crunchyroll with external devices. If casting is not an option, users can watch Crunchyroll by connecting an external streaming device, such as Roku, Firestick, Apple TV, or Chromecast with Google TV, which all have the Crunchyroll app. Gaming consoles like PlayStation or Xbox, which also support Crunchyroll. 4. Watching Crunchyroll via a web browser. Since Vizio Smart TVs do not have a built-in web browser, you cannot access Crunchyroll's website directly on the TV. However, you can connect a laptop via HDMI and stream Crunchyroll on the TV screen. 5th, troubleshooting Crunchyroll streaming issues. If Crunchyroll is not casting properly, ensure your mobile device and Vizio TV are on the same Wi-Fi network. Restarting both devices and checking for software updates on the TV can also help resolve issues. Vizio Smart TVs do not have a built-in Crunchyroll app, but users can stream it via AirPlay, Chromecast, or external devices like Roku, Firestick, and gaming consoles. These methods provide a smooth way to enjoy Crunchyroll on a Vizio TV.